Ever wonder why when someone yawns, you almost have to yawn right after? It's like a silent virus that jumps from one person to another. This phenomenon is called contagious yawning. And it's not just humans and monkeys, dogs, even some other animals do it too. So, why does it happen? Scientists say it's all about something in your brain called mirror neurons. These special cells mirror what we see. When someone in front of you yawns, your brain copies that action automatically. And before you know it, you're yawning too. But here's the deeper part. It's actually a sign of empathy and social connection. You're more likely to catch a yawn from friends or family than from a random stranger. So next time someone yawns and you follow, just smile with your brain saying, "Hey, we're connected."